Hello, my name is Howard Artis, and I'm a sales associate for ABW in the Arlington Showroom. I would like to talk about the SubZero refrigerator today. It's actually one of my favorite pieces. What we have here is the 42-inch French door. SubZero is going to be one of the only brands that actually has a 42-inch French door configuration built-in refrigerator, and is the only brand to have that with an internal water dispenser and true freezer pull-out drawer. Now, this refrigerator that we are looking at is actually not going to be the most current model, but they actually do have a lot of great upgrades coming to the SubZero line. One of them will be much more stainless steel interior going along the front of the shelving, just to give it a much more modern look. And then we will also have a much better lighting system coming, which is what they call ClearSight lighting. So along the bottom of each shelf, there will be a light which plugs into the back of the refrigerator. So no matter where you place your shelving at, each part of the refrigerator will be fully illuminated. So SubZero is a great brand. They have been in business for well over 50 years, and anything that they build will last well over 20. So yeah, it's definitely one of my favorite pieces. It comes in stainless steel. You can get it in panel ready as well. And then within the handles, if you go stainless steel, you have the option to do the tubular handle or the pro style handle if you would like to match it with a wolf range. So here we go.